Hello guys, welcome to another edition of this do-it-yourselfer channel. So I got one of these valves. Water does not come on. What it makes me believe the valve is broken. So I'm gonna replace it. I don't know what brand is it. Usually they don't have the brand. There's so many brands out there, but it seems like if this one is a Pfister or Pfister. I'll show you why in a minute. So the first thing we gotta do is cut off the water from underneath. I already cut it off. And you can guess how you take this out. So what you do is you grab a piece of channel locks or pliers or whatever and turn it. And once you turn it, this comes out. Alright, you take that apart. Take the gasket out, and then also this one, it was loose, but you have to take this off also. And here is the valve. Now the valve, I can see that it's got a problem. It's not turning. I mean, it turns the top out, but something is broken in there. So we got the part. For the cold water, you can identify it because it has a blue gasket, and the part number is 910032. I got these at Home Depot. I am not going to change the hot water, but I purchased anyway, and the hot water has a red gasket. All right, and the part number is 910031. All right.
Okay.
All right. So the new gasket, we're just gonna put it inside. You can feel it when it kind of touches the bottom. We're gonna close that. Before I tighten this, I'm just gonna put it on there, and I'm gonna make sure that you know, once the water is on, it corresponds to the side. So I'm gonna go ahead and open the valve, and it's open. I don't see no leaks, and the water is coming out, and everything seems to be like the perfect place. So I'm gonna put the gasket on. And we're gonna tighten it. Make sure it's on it. And this one we can tighten them up. You don't need to put any kind of plumber's putty. You don't have to put any of that crap. Alright, so I'm just gonna tighten these up pretty good. Use the channel locks to make sure it's tight. Make sure you don't damage. You may want to use a towel or something. I didn't use it, but you might want to use a towel to cover them up. And that's it. We just changed the valve. This is it. Alright guys, this is it. That's how simple it is. This is a short video, but see you on the next video that I'm gonna download. So make sure you subscribe. You don't want to miss it. Alright?